How your spine affects your digestive health, the surprising connection. Namaste and welcome back to the channel. I am Dr. Vardhan, your host and dost, and India's leading Ayurveda spine specialist. Every week, we break down complex spinal issues, and today we are uncovering something most people never expect: the link between our spine and our stomach. Yes, what if I told you that your indigestion, bloating, and even constipation might not start in your gut but in your back? Stay with me. Today's episode could completely change the way you understand both spinal and digestive health. Think of your spine as the internet cable between your brain and the stomach. Or you can imagine it as the main highway for nerves connecting the brain to the gut. Our digestive system is controlled largely by the autonomic nervous system. So if there is any spinal misalignments, our stomach doesn't get clear signals. That affects digestion, motility, and even nutrient absorption. I've seen so many patients come in thinking it's just acidity, but after spinal correction, their digestion improved dramatically. Let me dive a little deeper to explain the relationship. Our thoracic spine nerves, that is T5 to T9, influence our stomach, liver, and pancreas. On the other hand, lumbar spine affects the large intestines and the colon. So if there is any misalignment in these areas, it can trigger acid reflux, constipation, and bloating. But you know what? Sometimes allopathy can't find the root cause. Blood tests look fine, scopes are clear, yet the symptoms remain. This is where spinal care brings a missing piece to the puzzle. Interestingly, Ayurveda has always known this connection. In Ayurveda, digestion is governed by Agni. We call it digestive fire. Agni is then influenced by Vata, which travels through the spine and nervous system. So if there is any spinal disturbance, it means disturbed Vata, which ultimately results in weak digestion, gas, and irregular appetite. Precisely, this is the reason why many Ayurvedic treatments for bloating, IBS, and constipation include spinal therapies, not just herbs. I would like to say something important to you all. Your family's health is priceless. If this video can ease someone's pain, a parent, sibling, or friend, don't keep it to yourself. Share this video with love and subscribe to our channel for more trusted spinal care guidance. In Ayurveda, when we treat bloating, we don't just treat the belly. We treat the spine, the nerves, and the flow of prana. For example, we do Abhyanga. It warms up the spine and calms Vata of the patient. At times, Kativasti works wonders for such patients by healing deeply to the lumbar region and improving the function of the colon. Panchakarma is another good way to address this issue. It detoxes the system, thereby realigns the balance between the gut and the spine. I always suggest my clients practicing Marjarasana, also known as cat-cow pose, Bhujangasana or cobra pose, and spine twist poses. Your digestion starts with awareness. How you sit, how you breathe, and how your spine aligned. All of it matters. Small tweaks, big results. Always remember that our digestion starts with awareness. How we sit, how we breathe, and how our spine aligns, all of these matter. So, some small tweaks in our daily life can give big results. For example, you can start the simple decoction of cumin, ginger, and ajwain. While eating, sit straight and keep your spine aligned. Post-meal, don't hunch over your phone. And last but not least, practice deep breathing on a regular basis. And if you have tried diet changes, medications, yet digestion is still poor, it's time to think differently. Book a consult and get your spine assessed. Because as you have seen, sometimes the real block is neurological, not nutritional. Your spine isn't just your support system, it's your communication center. When that system is aligned, everything else flows, including digestion. So if you are battling gut issues, don't ignore your back. Start there, heal there, and the rest will follow. That's it for today. If this episode helped you see your health differently, subscribe now for more practical Ayurvedic insights. Hit that bell icon so you never miss a tip on spine health, gut care, and the whole body wellness. Until next time, stay safe, stay strong, and take care of your spine. Vardhan Ayurveda, healing spines and transforming lives.